Welcome to the SPKFeat trading channel. Study the past, know the future, each trade. Hope everything is okay with you. So today I am showing you a technique that I once used. It's not a precision technique, it's a time technique. It's something that is related to the moving averages on charts. And you know that the traditional numbers for the moving averages are the 200, the 100, the 50 and the 20. There are other numbers, and those numbers, for your understanding, are related to the periods. So it's an average of the periods that you choose. Okay, so 200 moving average is showing you the price of 200 periods back, and it calculates that average and gives you a reference. Okay, so what I'm showing you here right now on the chart is a traditional 200 moving average on the 15-minute chart. This is a 200 moving average in red and the 100 moving average in green. So this is how you usually see it, and once price goes below the 200 moving averages, first here on the 100 and then on the 200 we are bearish, confirmed. Okay, this is you shouldn't look at this as a precision concept. Okay, so this is like how I'm showing you right now how especially the retail world starts to see price and how it follows. Okay, people can swing trade. I'm not saying that you can swing trade and can pick some interesting moves here. Okay, but once the 100 is above the 200, it's bullish. Okay, and it's the same but opposite here. Okay, so it's bearish since the 100 crosses the 200 below. So what I am showing you here today is something quite different, and I don't know if you are aware of it, but you will be after this video. So what I'm going to do is to delete the 100. Okay, and I will just use this one here and make it, the 200 is now a 100 period moving average in red. Okay, so we have this. So what is possible to do with this moving average alone? Okay, so for those who don't know, we open the indicator and you have the parameters. Okay, you can shift here, you can just move the moving average back and forth, but I want to show you something different. I want to show you this option here, which is the levels. Okay, so moving average levels is the name of this video, and so here we are. So let's see. What I want you to do is just a small formula. Alright, so we are on the 15-minute chart and this is the 100 moving average. So what we will do, we will multiply the 100 moving average by the time frame. Okay, so, and this is 1500. Okay, so let's just have this level here. Let's have the positive and another one negative. Okay, and let's see what it's giving us. It gives us a deviation of the moving average. Okay, so the levels are a deviation of the moving average. The moving average doesn't change, you don't have to shift, and honestly you don't need to have moving averages crossing, because you can work with the range of the level. Okay, so let's see how interesting this becomes. Okay, so imagine here on the trend, once price enters the, just like a Bollinger Band, imagine this, right? But we are doing this with the moving average, and you can follow a trend. And especially for me, is when price is consolidating, is showing you the extremes. Of course, you can also double it, and you will go to the 3000. Okay, and we'll go to 3000. Okay, so we are doubling it, the range, and this is interesting for these cases. Okay, you see here, almost there. Okay, I told you this is not a precision concept, it's more of a time concept related to moving averages. And you have a lot of ranges. Okay, so if you imagine this coming from here, this level to here, you can go here to here, or from the center to here, and then go from here to here. There's a lot of trades here. Okay, so you can use it. For me, I think it's amazing when it consolidates, because like this, the moving average becomes stable, flat almost, and you're having the range. Okay, so this is how you can use it. I want to show you this also in another context. So it's the trends context, and you see here how interesting it is that you can control where price is going. You see here price is going a little bit up, then goes again. It's always inside the upper range. Okay, and then it changes. You can do it with imagine other periods. Let's see how it works with, for instance, the 20 period. Okay, we're on the 15-minute chart. So the 20 period. Okay, so let's do like this. And now this is 15-minute chart. I'm going to multiply the 20, which is the period of the moving average, by the 15 again. Okay, so doing this small formula, we have the 300, and let's see what the 300 gives us in terms of levels. So 300 and minus 300. Okay, and this is what we have. You can also have the double, and that will be 600 and minus 600. Okay, so here you have how a 20 period moving average, it looks very, very cool. And you can understand price flowing and the range that you can use. This is the 15-minute chart. You can do it on other time frames, but remember always to multiply your moving average period against the time frame. Okay, so you can have these levels and more. You can also combine levels. Okay, you have this. Let me have you just again the 100. Now let's do it in blue. Let's have the 100, and we remember that the 100 moving average is 100 moving average multiplying by the time frame. It's 1500. Okay, so let's add it. just these levels. Okay, and this is good. Okay, so you have here the 100 and the 20 period moving average, and this is how the flow goes. Okay, I think this is very interesting, very cool. And though I am not a big user of moving averages, okay, this is a very traditional retail indicator, but I have to admit that in periods of consolidation it gives you a lot of very interesting ranges, and I think it's a little bit beyond the simple use of the moving average. Okay, so I think this is an insight that you definitely could edge, and if you don't knew about this, you already know. Okay, so I just would like to wrap this video by saying that I am active on Twitter, on Discord, and on YouTube, and I would like to invite you to those social media. You have a lot of information on YouTube and also for the website, the SPKFeat.com, to visit and say hi. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next time, cheers.